Have you ever thought of how much easier wastewater treatment would be if there was no fecal matter in wastewater? Meet Aquatron, the solid-liquid separator that removes feces from flushing water as soon as a toilet is flushed. When you flush a toilet, the water and solids travel towards Aquatron with good momentum, and once they enter Aquatron, centrifugal force and gravity step into action to separate the liquid and solids. The flushing water swirls on Aquatron's surface, and 98% of it is recovered without any solids. Fecal matter and paper fall straight down into the biochamber under Aquatron, together with 2% of the liquid. A specially designed UV unit complements the system and makes sure that the separated liquid is made 100% free of bacterial contamination. The separated flushing water flows further into a settling tank, where its quality is improved by letting the suspended solids settle. The urine-enriched liquid is immediately ready for reuse in gardening or even for recharging the groundwater table in your area. In regard to the separated fecal matter, there is a multi-compartment biochamber for treating the solids in a most natural way. As we have seen, solids fall onto the biofilter mat in the chamber, and the remaining 2% water is drained out through the mat on the bottom of the chamber. The chamber is allowed to fill up, which might take a few months depending on the chamber volume and frequency of use. Since liquids are removed, there are no chemical reactions that produce sewage smell, and the non-septic feces don't attract flies either. Once a chamber is full, it is turned aside and left to decompose on its own. Adding some earthworms will make decomposition faster and more effective. Depending on weather and other conditions, decomposition might happen as fast as in a few weeks. Since the matter is turned into a gas, the final volume of composted fecal matter in the chamber will be about 5 to 10% of the original. In the Indian summertime, this process might happen as quickly as 2 weeks. The feces turn into a small quantity of hygienic, odorless soil which can be safely reused as manure. Looking at the benefits of Aquatron compared to a conventional sewage treatment plant, the first thing is that there is no power consumption. For example, the monthly power bill for a 10 KLD STP would be about 12,000 rupees, but Aquatron runs without any power at all. The next thing is that Aquatron doesn't have any complex machinery and mechanical parts, which means minimal need for maintenance. There is also no need to purchase and use any consumables. Furthermore, there is no downtime for maintenance. As we already saw, an Aquatron biochamber doesn't smell, which allows placement of Aquatron in any location without the fear of unpleasant odors. Aquatron doesn't need a specially trained operator, and thus any operator charges are avoided. Furthermore, grey water is now much easier to treat when there is no mixing with feces. Aquatron can be scaled up for any capacity. A single unit caters for up to 25 toilets, and you can keep adding units as per your requirement. Aquatron can be used in all types of buildings, from private residences to apartment buildings, schools, offices, hotels, restaurants, hospitals, cottages, farmhouses, and so on. Aquatron has the Indian Green Building Council's Green Pro certification. It conforms with health, safety, and environmental standards as per the European CE marking. It is patented and also has the European technical approval and Swedish technical approval, and it is the first prize winner in the category Early Decomposition of Fecal Matter in the Swachhathon 1.0 contest, organized by the Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation. Treat your wastewater in a hassle-free and natural way and get in touch with Aquatron India on 98859 21703. We'll be happy to help you to design a solution that's just right for you.